birthday toy.
I'll try.
You don't have to see it, you just have to put it on the thing.
Well, I assume it's okay. Yeah.
Oh, we've got tombola. No.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what is it?
It's
Two for a pound.
It goes, press hot sugar, and it comes up tombola. It's pressed tombola. So it can go in the others. So, yeah.
Okay.
That's what I like about this candle tombola. Not like how we used to.
No.
And it does say that it's on tombola.
How are you, by the way? Good.
Yeah, this all started on Saturday.
Yes. You know, still Christmassy.
Yeah. And I'm off next week. Got another week off.
Oh, good for you. Why did you get that? All the stuff you've worked over times, isn't it?
No, it's part of our holiday. So I wanted next week off because it would be my sister's birthday.
Alright. So you swapped around a bit. They're not here, are they? This is that cat one isn't here, is it?
Yeah, don't worry, just put them on.
Oh, no.
Yeah, just put them on.
Yeah, I'll take that back.
You've got them. Oh, there's two left. People put that euro one on. That's covered completely.